In this video, we are going to review how to install the Trimble Installation Manager, which is the software to install all the field applications, including the virtual world. So let's get started. So when you go to installation.trimble.com, you will access to this website. You have the choice between installing from Windows or Android. We are going to use the Windows as we are going to install Virtual World, which run on the Windows application. Scroll down until you found the online version. Download it and install it on your PC. Once installed, you will be able to open the Installation Manager from your Windows search. Access to the controller, and inside the controller you will be able to say show all application at the bottom. This will investigate all the available applications you can install on your device. We are going to scroll down until the virtual world. Click on the virtual world and select from the drop-down list the latest build, and simply click install to start installing it on your PC. Once installed, do the same for the Trimble Access. Select the Trimble Access, find the latest release of the Trimble Access and start installing it. Once completed, you will be able to search again in your Windows the different applications, Virtual World, and open it. As a first-time user, or the first time you have logged in the day, you will be requested to sign in. You can use your TID, which your license has been assigned to. This will open a browser page where you can log in. Upon logging, you will be accessing the virtual world from the home page. The same way you could open on the same PC the Trimble Access and use the application side by side. So one side, the virtual world to emulate your world, and the Trimble Access to learn all your survey workflow. And now if you want to learn more about the virtual world, please check the other video.